Hey everyone, it's Steve here with Pacificwide, and welcome to 1309 Glacier Drive. I'm excited, as always, to show you this gorgeous, fully remodeled, single-family residence with 4-bedroom and 3-bedroom, located in the heart of Milpitas, California. Let's take a look.
With almost 2,000 square feet, this gorgeous fully remodeled single-family home offers 4 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, and 2-car garage. It is situated on a spacious lot size of almost 6,300 square feet. As you enter the home, you will find yourself in the sophisticated yet cozy living room. This home is coated with new paint and new floors throughout. There are dual pane windows for energy and noise efficiency. The kitchen has fresh, updated cabinetry, drawers, and new countertops. Beside the kitchen is an elegant dining room that you and your loved one will spend many great dinners together. Right across from the dining room, the double shutter door leads you into the family room. This well-sized room offers endless possibility of entertainment with your friends and family. The bathroom has been fully renovated, along with new showers and sinks. As you walk down the hallway, you will find the other bathroom and other well-sized bedrooms, as well as the master bedroom. This home is just minutes away from Great Mall and other shopping centers. Walking distance to top-rated Milpitas High School and within a few minutes from the new Milpitas Bart Station. The home is also conveniently located near high-tech companies and is within commuting distance of Fremont and San Francisco. With easy access to Highway 680, 880, 101, and 237. Come home to this beautiful and family-friendly community where you can relax and spend time with family and friends in this thriving Silicon Valley.
What a beautiful home. What do you like most about this home? The awesome location or the spacious family room with endless entertainment possibility for you and your loved one? I'm looking forward to see you at the open house and to help the first lucky buyer to own this home.